Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change the default system font style in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see the system default font style. So you can see this kind of system font style. So I don't know what's the default font style right now which is being applied on the Windows computer. So in order to change this system font style, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as system font size changer, and on the second list you will see official website. Just click on it and now just scroll down below. Now here you will see a download option. Just click here. Wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me close this web browser and now just double left click this software to just click on accept. Now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So I'm not gonna discuss much about all the options that is available here, so I'll just directly focus on the topic. So below here you can see one icon written A+. So you can see sans default font. Just click on it. So right now the font style or the font name which is being applied, that is the default font style of the Windows computer, is Segue UI. So right now the font you are seeing on my Windows computer is the Segue UI. So just click on this down arrow icon and now here you can select any font style. So let me select one font style. So let me select this Felix Tingling. You can select anything. You can increase the font size or you can make it a bold also. Once your selection is done, click on OK. Now you can see here on the left top corner apply. Just click on it. Voila. Now you can see the font style is being changed. So if you want to restore it again, then what you can do is you have three switches that you can restore it back. The first choice you have, yes, you can see, just move back to this option which you have selected earlier. Just click on it and just select the Segue UI. So this was the original default font text style, and just click on OK and click on apply. So it's being restored back. And there are two more methods. So the second method can do is you can just go to here advanced and you can just enable, and now you can see here option restore fonts and restart PC. So once you click on it, it will ask you to restart, and after restarting your PC it will restore back to the default font style. And the last method, you can go to the other and you can see here option restore fonts on exit. So this is the way how you can change the default system font styles in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application which will let you change the default system font styles in any Windows computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.